Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update. Firstly, when it comes to the US market, after so many days, we have seen such a big fall on the US markets because it was the July jobs data that actually gone ahead and spooked the markets. Because when it comes to the jobs data, that actually added just 73,000 jobs versus the street estimates of 1 lakh. But not just that, the previous month's job data was actually revised lower, and that was indeed surprising for the markets as well, because June and May totals were revised sharply lower, down by combined 2.6 lakhs from the previous announced levels. And that was indeed surprising for the markets, because look at the fall in the Dow Jones, more than 500 points. S&P 500 declined more than 1.5%. Even Nasdaq nosedive over 2% on Friday's trading session. And not just that, in a dramatic move, Donald Trump has actually gone ahead and fired the Commissioner of Labor Statistics after weaker than expected job figure that actually slammed the market. So that was the update coming in from US markets. But along with that, when it comes to the European markets, there too we have seen all the benchmark indices declining. Now talking about the other global cues, then it was gold that was actually shining bright, because on Friday on an intraday basis we have seen more than 2% of a gain coming in over them after so much of volatility we have seen in the equity markets. In terms of the crude oil prices, there too we are getting to have a big headline where the OPEC Plus has actually gone ahead and agreed to make hike from September itself, and that is something that was interesting to see how will it react for the oil markets as well. And today morning, when it comes to the dollar index, for the emerging markets, that's sounding good, because dollar index has actually declined a bit and hovering around that 98 odd levels. And as of now, GIFT Nifty is indicating a mild gap up start for ourselves with a gap up of almost 50 points.